On the right side of the import dialog interface, we're presented with more options. If you don't see the panels that I see here, for example, file handling, file renaming, if you don't see any of these, right-click on any one of these file headings and place a check mark next to each one of these panels. We're going to be working with all of them. Under the File Handling panel, we can decide on the type of previews we want Lightroom to build for us. Lightroom generates up-to-date, high-quality previews for us when we work in certain modules of the program. For example, the Develop module that we'll be working with. To build a preview, Lightroom uses the original image data as its foundation and then updates the preview for any processing or adjustments that have been applied. From this drop-down menu, we can select the quality of the previews that Lightroom builds. Minimal will create small, low-quality previews. Embedded and Sidecar will generate the largest ready-built preview possible. One-to-one previews will render full-resolution previews, but it can degrade browsing experience in Lightroom. Standard previews are optimized for browsing through photos. The quality and size of a standard preview can be adjusted in catalog settings. To adjust the standard preview defaults, go to Lightroom and then catalog settings. From this dialog box, select the File Handling tab. Here, you can set the standard preview size, quality, and there's also an option to discard full resolution previews after a set amount of time. By removing one-to-one previews, you free disk space. Let's go ahead and close the Catalog Settings panel and return to the Import dialog.